So what's up, you guys? We're back with another video. In this video, I will be talking about how I made a Philly cheesesteak sandwich out of rib eye steak. Here you see me cutting the whole piece of rib eye up into long strips. And once you cut them up into long strips, they'll look like that. And you want to season them. I do not do my seasons by measurements. I just season it to a taste or season it to look like it's seasoned enough. And I put meat tenderizer and black pepper on it only. You can put more stuff on it if you want to. That's just me personally. My personal preference is meat tenderizer and pepper. That's all I need. Then I cut up some bell pepper first. And then you will see me in a few minutes cut up some onions. And I dice those bell peppers and onion. I don't like big bell peppers and onion. I don't really want them to be that seen. So I do diced bell pepper and onions instead of whole bell pepper onion. Here you would see me dice the onions up as I previously said to add those to the grease once it get hot. But also during this time, go ahead and click that like button, subscribe, click the notification bell. Don't forget to comment. Okay, here I have a non-stick pan, and I added the grease just to fill the bottom of the pan. Then you want to wait maybe 2 to 3 minutes until the grease get hot. Once the grease get hot, you want to add your onion, bell pepper, and your sliced or strips of rib eye steak. Once you add those strips with the bell pepper onion, you'll see that the strips will start turning brownish, and they'll get browner and browner. Once they get fully cooked and brown, which would probably take around 3 to 5 minutes depending on how high you got the stove and what you're cooking in, how your stove runs. So I'll say around 3 to 5 minutes around all of it. 7 minutes at the most, everything should be done. So here you will see me toasting my hot dog bun. Now with that being said, you can use a hot dog bun or a hoagie bun. In particular, I'm using a hot dog bun because that's what I had around. But I'm toasting it, and how I toast mine, I put it in the oven, and I put it on broil for about 2 to 3 minutes. And voila. Here I'm showing you how to put everything together. Now, usually on a Philly cheese sandwich, you put the mozzarella or Swiss cheese, whatever kind of cheese that you use, on top of it and blend it in. But me in particular, I didn't want all of that cheese on there like that, because it would have been too cheesy for me. So I put the cheese on top of the toast bread, and then I put the Philly meat in, and then I throw some lettuce and tomatoes on it, which the lettuce and tomatoes are exceptions, but I wanted to add lettuce and tomatoes, and that's how it ended. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I leave with your love.